Podcast affirmation, we're back with the bang. Namhlanje sikuphathele uKhuzini uSihlezi ulaphana as a deputy minister yaka public works. Igqala ngazi noma kusho kanjalo ngezokuthi igqala lezobuzabalazo uSihlezi mina ke mkhumbula esemncane ifungazi uSihluke waba ikhansela nje ngezikhathi futhi kuse volatile wangempela ngikhumbula I think waphethe ba ifunga memorandum ngiseva kahle kwakuno Thabo Mbeki as the president laphana koNdwedwe begijima siyababona laphana as ikhansela ngaleso sikhathi. By the way, igama lami uSizwe Blose. This is a podcast affirmation, your number one podcast in the land. Angibingelele kuKhuzini, ninjani baba?
Siyaphila Ndelu, siyabonga kakhulu kuba nani kwi podcast affirmation. Kuhlale kuyintokozo ukuengage nani nabantu ababalalile.
Kukanjalo nje Khuzini ngoba isikhathi esiningi nibuye ningatholakali kube ukuthi ezinye zezizathu ezenza ukuthi kube nale decline ekhulunywa ngayo ukuthi ninamahloni ngezinto ezinhle lizenzayo ukuthi nitshele umphakathi niba too modest or something.
Uyiqiniso ukuthi awukwazi kuma phezulu kwendlu uzincome wena. Kuba lukhulu kakhulu kuyosho ebantwini ukuthi senze lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Kuba lula kodwa ukugxeka ukuthi nokuthi akwenzekile. Izwe lakithi umuzolicompare nelaliyikho eminyakeni ewutiti edlule before 1994 ulicompare neliyikho namuhla uyalibona ushintsho. Ushintsho lukho nje malungelweni kuphela kodwa likumkhakha eminingi ehlukahlukene. Kulikhunike kulabo abalethe lolu shintsho ukuthi bame phekwentaba bamemeza ukuthi unjenje usibanibani yithi unjenje uSorenso yithi. Kodwa lemgomo nalezi inhlelo ezifakwe uhulumeni kaKhongolose zikhombisile inqubekela phambili.
Ya Khuzini ngiyacabanga ukuthi if sekuba nesimo sokuthi abantu bakhohlwe kuthiwa out of sight out of mind Khuzini into enjengama podcast nje fanele nijwayeze Khuzini ngoba nijwayeze sona ngoba Khuzini abantu bayakhohlwa Khuzini ubona lokho bese beyakovota.
Kuyiqiniso bayakhohlwa kodwa kubalula futhi ukukhohlwa imvelaphi yakho uadopt izinto ezintsha and therefore ama podcast nokuqhubeka silekelela ngokuthi izinto ezenzekayo sidlulise emphakathini zinjalo. Kubaleke kakhulu lokho ukuze isizwe nabantu nje bahlale bazi ukuthi sifike kanjani la siyakhona sibhekephi.
Because ngiyacabanga ukuthi nje bengihlangene nawe nje this is a golden opportunity even for ababukeli bethu laphana emakhaya because omunye wabantu oba active with politics njengoba sikhuluma noKhuzini sobheka igqoko ezimbili. uKhuzini as usopolitic hardcore uKhuzini laphana kwi-government as umuntu oseseva wonke umuntu ngoba phela beni kwi-government Khuzini asisume ukuthi niseva wonke umuntu regardless of i-political affiliation nanokuthi uvotele ubani. Khuzini nakho kwehla ama-numbers abantu ngathi batshengisa ukungabi happy kakhulu nge-ANC. Bocabanga iziphi izathu ezekhoze le decline engaka enibhekane nayo after lolukhetho kade sinalo ngoba abantu bayayibuza bayiphala ulimi babodwa Khuzini abanikhomba ngenjumbane ukuthi ni arrogant as a leading party. Izinto ezinjalo ni addressa kanjani benihlangene eziqembu manje nenza lento postmortem or
No, I think to be specific zintathu izinto ezikhandele decline kwi-ANC. Okokuqala abantu abacabangi ngokwama-ideas ukuthi ama-ideas athini akuyona into ebaregulatayo. Abaphili ngama-ideas, abantu baphila ngesimo abakuso ngaleso sikhathi. Uma uthola umuntu ongenamanzi akazocabanga ngani nge-idea ethi ngelinye ilanga bonke abantu bayoba namanzi kwi-tap emakhaya. Kodwa uzothi anginamanzi manje. And therefore lokhu kusho ukuthi i-ANC government bekumele iresponde ngokusheshsha ezimeni zabantu. Lokhu aqali manje ukuthi nje kube kukhulu. Kodwa umuzobheka i-ANC ifike yavotelwa ngo-1994 yavotelwa ngo-99 yanyuka ngo-2004. Since then i-ANC has been on the decline, yehla. And lokhu kusho into ezintathu kuthina bakaKhongolose. Okokuqala ukuthi abantu abaningi baphila esimeni la bengasebenzi khona. Isimo somnotho asikhandi imisebenzi eyanele. Uma ubala imisebenzi yayikhona ngo-94 nemisebenzi ekhona manje. Imisebenzi yakhiwe mningi. Kodwa ukukhula kwepopulation kube kukhulu kakhulu. As a result baningi abantu abangaqashiwe abangasebenzi. Besilindele ukuthi iSouth Africa iyoba no 60 million people. Ngubani ngo-2030. Sesino 60 million now. 6 years early. They might show about 20%.
So
ebengawulungiselelanga. But neinhlelo zethu vele bezingasheshanga ngendlela ukwakha umnotho. For me especially istructure somnotho wethu. Istructure esisafida ongqiwankulu laba babesicolonizile bangaphandle nongqiwankulu laba baqhoqhobela izimboni zomnotho ezimbalwa okuyizo ezigimbela yonke into. So okokuqala lokho ukuthi u30 years senze likhulu kodwa sahluleka ukwakha amathuba emisebenzi ukuze abantu besebenze. Okwesibili ukufeyila kwethu ukuletha idingo nqangi especially lezi idingo nqangi edinga ilethwe womasipala ngaba ukuthuthwa kwemfucuza ungaba ukufaka amanzi ukumaintain ugesi ngendlela. Yebo ugesi ubune problem kuzwe lonke ngenxa ye generation. Kodwa sesi-addressileke manje i-generation yikho ungasakwazi ukuthi sina 100 days i-load shedding ingekho. It's more than 100 days. But into esedinga siyenzeke manje lezi
wacatshanga ukuthi ikhuzeni nenzela ama-elections.
Sasenzile ama-elections and I'm sure it's now proven. But sedinga manje sigxileke ekuthini idingo zenzeka ngendlela. Imigwaqo yindawo udoti uyathuthwa. Amanzi ayeze ebantwini, ugesi uyeze ebantwini, mase kuba nokuphepha including emalokishini. So uma sikwazi ukudela nalento yezidingo zabantu, imisebenzi idingo zabantu is number 2. My last is sakhe kabusha uANC. Ilunga leANC lihluke kunomuntu nje. Lihluke ngokuthi linaka abantu, hayi lona nomndeni nezihlobo zabo. Kodwa linake lisebenzele kakhulu abantu. Ukuba neANC branch evuke kuseni ihlangane yodwa ithola ireport yeCouncil kungakhulunywa ngokuthi abantu idingo zabo zithini, kusho ukuthi iANC ialufu kuloyo mphakathi. Uma ngakunika nje iexample mina ngakithi ngisebenza nomama abalimayo. Yabona endwe. Abantu abalimayo because ngiyazi ukuthi ukuthemba kwabi iANC ngeke kube ukuthi bathemba usihle. Or bathembe just black, green and gold. Kodwa kudinga bayithembe iANC ngoba iyabalekelela. Ukhona lokhu ebenzela kona ezimpilweni. So iANC njalo kudinga ibe i-reservoir of knowledge emphakathini especially kuma branches. Iletha ulwazi ebantwini. Ixhumanise abantu nani nezakhiwo zentuthuko. Once iANC yaluza lokho kusho ukuthi si-irrelevant akusewona lo mbutho wabantu.
Nisayenza sihle Mr. Khuzini lento wakuthiwa umhabulo ngalezi ayikhathi ngizama ukuchecka because iqiniso lithi uthola imember yeANC kodwa engahabulile obonayo ukuthi lo muntu uzama ukuprovide direction or leadership kwayena usadinga
ukulidwa usadinga ukufunda before as a leader afunde movement. I think there has been a decline asikuvume lokho. Yabona ngama period before 94 especially 92 93 we used to have Mondays forums. Lama forum ayehlangana njalo ukuthi kunikezelwane ngolwazi lwezepolitiki. Kubhekwe isimo somhlaba esezwe esikhona. But mase kuye kufundwa ngeANC zinciphile izakhiwo la ukufundwa nge-ANC kuyinto ebekwe phambili. So ileyo nto enye esishayayo ekhanda ukuthi abantu abajoyina i-ANC abanye bajoyine nje i-ANC kodwa bangayazi futhi ukuthi imeleni kumele futhi isebenze kanjani.
Angathi futhi kuvela khuzini ukuthi sengijoyine kakhulu osomathuba bengijoyine i-ANC ngisendleleni ukuthi ngithole impumelelo ngokusheshsha because nikwipower.
Baningi abantu abajoyina i-ANC for inhloso ezihlukene than inhloso ze-ANC. Khona abantu abajoyina ukuze babe semathubeni okuthola imisebenzi. So ukuba i-ANC khambisana ne-career. Yebo ukuba i-ANC kungakuvulela ithuba lokuthi uthole umsebenzi ngokuthi wena uzithuthukise ufunde ube exposed ekutheni uhulumeni imboni kusebenza kanjani kodwa uthole ithuba fair ngendlela bonke abantu abalithola ngayo abakuleyo level edeserve lelo thuba. Namuhla kunabantu abafungena ngoba bafuna ukukhansela bafuna ukuba yilunga leParliament kube nabanye abangena kwi-ANC ngoba lokho kuzomletha wini kwi-close proximity nabaholi abazomnika amathuba amabhizinisi. Mase kuba sengathi kune-favoritism. Leyo favoritism kulabo abangawatholi lawo mathuba ibakhanda babuyele eceleni babone ngathi i-ANC i-wrong. And therefore
abantu
abathize abafew i-ANC ayimele ukuthi ibheke kakhulu abaholi nama-members kudinga ibheke umphakathi especially lo mphakathi ontulile lo mphakathi ongelutho laba abathathwa ngokuthi they are the downtrodden.
Ake sitheni khuzini senwa-identifyeleke lamazambane abolile kwi-ANC or niyazi ukuthi kunabantu abakanjalo kwi-ANC nenze njani ukuthi nibasuse kwi-ANC ngoba ekugcineni bathanisha a good name if it's good ye-ANC nenza kanjani ukuthi nibaqhelelanise kwi-ANC?
Ngiyabona ukuthi uyayidawutha leyo good name angiqale ngokuthi i-ANC ivula umlomo ngo-1990. It was a glorious organization. Wonke umuntu
bathi glorious movement.
Yes, a glorious movement. Wonke umuntu ethi umbutho kaThabo. So siubuyisela kanjani ke lo mbutho kaThabo? Okokuqala dinga sibe straight endleleni esikhetha ngayo kuwo. Ungabi into evuleleke. Yebo i-democracy must be there. But we must be strict ukuthi ubani uvelaphi waziwa ngani.
I-vetting process should be there.
Baningi abaholi abangaziwa ekusebenzeleni umphakathi. Umholi nje ngokuthi ungene through izakhiwo usuphezulu but you are not an activist even ngakini. Awaziwa engomeni awaziwe ebholeni langakini awaziwe entuthukweni yomphakathi wangakini awaziwe kwakheni inhlalakahle kuliwe nobugebengu ube kwi-CPF ube kwi-school governing board. So kunama leaders angaziwanga lutho even ngasemakulu. And that undermines ANC.
And ANC niliyeke leyo leader iphathe leyo leader abantu becomplaina sometimes niyakwazi ukuhlangana nanenze lento ekuthiwa i-self introspection after that nithatha ama-decisions because sibonile ANC even khona la KZN abaholi besho izinto obonayo ukuthi this one is untoward but bezisho abaholi ngeqholo. You understand? Thothi isilo umlomo ongathethi ibanga uzothi ngiqoka lo wamuntu ukuthi abe uduna kakhulu wami but ANC ivumba ukuthi I recognize lo muntu. Angithi manje I think uyaphikisana nezinto zosiko ukuthi this person ongangezwe lakho ithathile i-decision okwakho mhloniphe lo noma ungamdingi.
Well oqala ubuholi kudinga bube responsible. Irresponsibility hamsana nokuthi izinto nje uyihandlisha kanjani. Ungenzeka ukuthi umuntu othiza athatha i-decision ongahambisani nayo uyiphikisa kanjani. Uya ezidlangalaleni ushawuthe o uyakhona uma kuyisilo uye kwisilo uyothi bayede ngangezwe lakhe sikholwa ukuthi lokhu nalokhu uzosikhanda singakwazi ukusebenzisana ngendlela. And that is not public. Uyephi uye ngaphakathi. So indlela esihola ngayo kumele ibe ne sense of yobuholi kube nje ukuthi there is a sense of responsibility. Singabaholi siziphatha ngendlela. Sikhuluma izinto kuma platforms afanele. Lezo esibona ukuthi kudinga i-one on one naloyo mholi othize senze njalo.
Yeah. Kukhona nezinto ezincane nje ezibuye zivele khuzela ngifuna ukuthi sileqelele arrogance because bengisemlazi ngakithi sihlalele ngiyakhulula indaba yokuphakama impakamo kahle kahle kubaholi be-ANC forgetting ukuthi laba khona abangenile ngama CVs abo basuke bekhethwe abantu ukuthi babaholi kodwa manje uthola ukuthi impakamo Khuzeni isiyaleli zinga leli ecacayo ukuthi lo muntu ngathi uyakhohlwa ukuthi lapha akhona ubekwe yimina kulo hulumeni akuyena.
Well ngifuna ukuyi-addressa on both. Oqala impakamo i-wrong.
Yeah.
I-wrong kakhulu. And that's why ngithi umholi we-ANC kudinga asebenze nabo bonke abantu abadala abancane abami kahle abangelutho. Abantu bakithi baye bedinga ukulalelwa nje. Uthola ukuthi umholi akanandaba akakwazi ukulalela abantu. Kodwa nendlela thina be-ANC sifundiswe ngayo ulalela umuntu umphendule kahle ukwazi ukuthatha idingo nezikhalo zakhe uyi-address ngendlela. So kubalekile lokho ukuthi sikufunde ukuyiphatha. Sikwazi ukuzehlisa sibe sebantwini si-ANC. Okwesibili abaholi bethu kudinga bazi ukuthi bakhethiwe.
Yeah.
And therefore ukhethwa kusho ukuthi ngesikhathi sonke maintainer i-trust yabantu.
Yeah.
Yiba nakho lokhu ukuthi abantu banethemba kuwe njengomholi wabo. Yikho sasigxilisa kakhulu kuma document ethu adlule. There was a document ngama 90s 96 in particular yayumkhabulo number 3 la sasikhuluma khona ngento eyayithiwa i-organizational democracy and discipline. Kwaba ne document lethi yayibizwa nge through the eye of the needle. It was 2000 and 2002 kanjalo. So besifundisa kakhulu ngokuziphatha komholi. And umholi kwayena kudinga azi ukuthi kumele ayithuthukise ngolwazi nangemsebenzi. Umholi akumele abonakale nje if there is a difference. There is a difference between an artist and a leader. Yabona. An artist is okay, let me put it ibe kahle ngizwakala. A celebrity is someone who's an artist whose task is to entertain abantu ne?
Yeah.
Aba entertain. But a revolutionary akayena umuntu wokubuka. Umuntu wani wokuletha ushintsho ebantwini. So leaders must not strive to become celebrities. Leaders must work for communities. Must know ukuthi ba-attach bakusebantwini la bevela khona. And leaders melehlise inhloso zabo. Aphile neinhloso zomzabalazo nabantu. So ilezo zinto esibone ngathi zithe ukwehla. Yingakho kulokhu entweni ezintathu engiyibalile. Ngibala umnotho nemathuba emisebenzi. Ngabala ama services. Ngase ngabala ukwakhiwa kabusha kwe-ANC noku-ANC. Okusho ukuthi abaholi dingabakheke kabusha bashintsheke bamele lento i-ANC ebiyimele. I-membership ye-ANC ingabi yiqoqwana labantu elicontrola i-ward kodwa kube abantu bonke abakwi-ward aba-associate ne-ANC.
Khuzeni usengasho proudly so ukuthi amandla asemasebeni like it used to happen or to be said before bewinini I think early 90s
early
2000s bowizwa now and again lento ukuthi i-ANC isebenza ngama branches. Ungangiphikisa bengithi ngathi ANC manje sicontrolwa hayi amasebe but ama certain individuals.
Into yokuthi amandla asemasebeni angikholwa ukuthi abaholi bethu emabranchini nakwamanye amazinga bayiqonda ngendlela. amandla asemasebeni ngoba ebabranchini la kwenziwa khona umsebenzi we-ANC. Amandla asemasebeni ngoba ilunga nelunga le-ANC libelonga kwi-branch. Alikho ilunga ngisho upresident we-ANC une-branch abelonga kuyo. Now you get leaders abazothi amandla asemasebeni ngoba bazi ukuthi uma kiwa kuma-conferences we manipulate ama-branch ngalendlela nalendlela. Ama-branch akaphila akasebenzi aphila kuphela uma kiwe inkomfeni. So lokho ku-wrong. Kodwa uma sithi amandla asemasebeni it means i-member ne-member irrespective ukuthi uyikwiphi leadership category belong to your branch. Lekelela i-branch yakho ukusebenza. But ngaphekwa lokho ama-branch e-ANC angamandla ngoba asebantwini asebenzela abantu. That's why we then said amandla amaphi abasemasebeni. Amandla ngawethu, amandla ngawabantu. Ngawabantu maphi ema-branchini. Unfortunately le feasting ngeyamandla. Yabona amandla ngawethu kodwa wona angawabantu amandla. Now sasa siyithatha ngokuthi no amandla asemasebeni ngoba ama-branch akhetha ubuholi. Now uma ama-branch leyo okhetha ubuholi kuzothi amandla asemasebeni ke ngaleso sikhathi mase kube ukuthi ubani one-influence enkulu ema-branchini ngaleso sikhathi. That's wrong. It is not how we define power to the people. Uma sithi all power to the people, sithi amandla ebantwini. ANC would say two things. Amandla ngawethu, all power to the people. Amandla akabe sebantwini.
Kuze kubalelwa yini ukuthi ningabi nazi inhlelo la engichazela khona abantu because ngifikele ukuthi khona abantu abathi amandla awethu akushoni ukuthi uyena. Understand that yito nje ayisholo ngoba it's just a slogan iyashiwo but I understand. Even including i-feast le nikwazi ukuthi nibe nezinkundla la enichaza khona lento because the time I think I'm blessed or fortunate ukuthi ngibe nawe ichaze lento ngi-understand why education engathi sisalele emuva kwe-ANC
ilekha kakhulu and yikho sithi kwi-process ye-renewal kuzomele siyigxilise. Kumele for instance nje kulolu khetho esibuya kulo sithe abaholi be-ANC abayomela i-ANC akekho umuntu okudingaye engadlulile kwi-OR Tambo Political School. And lokho agcinile time and again kuzomele kube nama-political school. There was a time la KwaZulu Natal besithatha ubuholi be-province biyovalelwa nje for 4 days kwi-political school. Sehle siye ema-regionini sithatha ama-regions siwavalele kwi-political school either every 6 months aya kwi-political school. Sehlele ema-branchini kwakunama-branchi ayeba nama-Sunday political classes ema-branchini. Ubuholi buthathwe ema-branchini ukuthi nirana ama-political classes lapha nalapha nalapha. And i-renewal kumele sibuyisele kulo siko. Lolo siko lihambisana noNembeza lokhu ke okushoyo ukuthi umuntu angashawuthi nje slogan angasazi. There must be a consciousness, a political consciousness yokuthi uyazi ukuthi umuntu amandla awethu, all power to the people. Uyazi ukuthi what is really the meaning of that. Akona ukuthi amandla wabaholi abaholi ba become ama-celebrities. No, it's not that.
Isikhathi kuzini mhlawumbe akubathetheleli but isikhathi esiphila kusona esihambisana no-fourth industrial ney'ndaba zo-social media ukuthi as a human being uba tempted now if udiscuss i-issue nawe uba actively involved to i-extent ukuthi into oyi-expressa ngayo ugcine kube yiyo manje lenawe kakhulu abantu yabona leyo nto ik-elevated to the status sokuba i-politician stroke celebrity.
Now inkinga yalento lokuthi once wamukela ubuholi kuba imember ye-ANC kune-responsibility. Once wawumholi sekune-added responsibility. Siyathanda sonke ukuyithola ngelinye ilanga sivuke ekuseni sitweete imbono yethu osibhale ko-Facebook uyabona. Kodwa kwesinye isikhathi uyuthi usu-tempted ukuthi uzomphendula lo ubuye ubone ukuthi yebo khona mina ophendulayo but behind me kunani negama le-ANC. Uma bekuzoba yimina naye kuphela lo muntu esikhwarelayo sithathani nje njengeinsizwa zasemakhaya bengakuhle. Unfortunately once ngangenelela mina ngaphendula nje usihle we-ANC. So ubuholi buza an-added responsibility ekhanda ukuthi sibe nani nama-restraints okudinga siwa-apply thina kuthina.
Ngibheka Khuzini because besisakhuluma manje by the way sahleli noSihle Zikalala uKhuzini uDeputy Minister lapha ngaPublic Works aphinde futhi abe igqala lezomzabalazo abaningi bazomkhumbula uKhuzini uyihambile lendlela yeANC. Khuzini ngimazi ekudala esekhona la ngaphakathi kwe-Youth League ekhona la yamthatha i-Youth League yalana deployer national la afike khona waba unobhala jikelele we-ANC Youth League baphinda futhi i-ANC kathi uthathwa left right and center akubuyisa futhi wagcina eyisekela likanobhala we-province from ukuba isekela likanobhala we-province wangena wawunobhala wagcina sewuhlalo we-ANC. Angicabanga ukuthi ayikho into angayazi nge-ANC. Ake sikhulume esondele kakhulu la kuthi Government of National Unity, Government of Provincial Unity ke manje senwinileke Khuzini ngama numbers kodwa angekho that strong alitholakala lo 50+1 financial uhulumeni. Ngiyangichazeka ngendlela oyile ngayi foundation nano check ukuthi iziphi izinto engathi senilekha khona. Mhlambe there is why abantu ba decide ukuthi banithumele ukuthi bambisane nabanye abantu and ngokwakho uyithola injani le Government of National Unity because ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abayivotela nge-ANC as a result kwaqaphakela lokho ukuthi fanele basebenzisane nabanye abantu. But mina nawe siyavumelana ukuthi sesi-highlightile ezinye zezinto engaba cause i-problem lesi esibhekene or esenibhekene nayo njengamanje. Kuze nomthatha umbeke lapho siqale.
Qale ngokuthi ayikho inhlangano ekhona kwi-GNU ebihlele ukuba kwi-GNU. So sonke sisesimene besingasihlelanga. Meaning sisesimene esingasithandi.
Yeah.
Each and every organization bengafisa ukuyiholela uhulumeni ngokwayo.
Yeah.
Kodwa
yes,
ayikho winning. Nathi njenge-ANC sinezathu ezikhande ukuthi abantu bangazivotela okudinga siyoyilungisa. Sisebenza ke manje ukuthi silungise lezo izathu engiyishile ekuqaleni ama-causal factors ukuthi abantu bengavoti. But kwi-GNU kudinga sazi ukuthi one kune-majority party that is leading. The ANC, it's a leading organization, a leader. But two, kune statement of intent. Oku statement esasayinwa ama-parties onke. Three, South Africa in a vision 2030, which is a national development plan. Sonke kudinga sisebenzele ukuthi leya vision 2030 iyaphumelela. Yebo kwezinye izinto semuva kwezinye kuyazamazameka and therefore kumele sisebenze kakhulu ukwenza ngcono impilo zabantu neSouth Africa yonke ucontribute ekutheni le vision 2030 sikwazi ukuba kuyo.
Uthini umuntu Khuzini ozothi siyasho nje ukuthi le Government of National Unity kodwa ubudlelwano lobo bukhona between iDA neANC lezo zinto isupportwe amanye ama-statements epartner enayo laphana kwi-GNU unkosikazi uHelen Zille.
Well, abanye abaholi bayathanda ukugqama ne baba ama-celebrities ngeyinto engekho factual. Izinto ezibusayo izinto ezisuke ezibhaliwe ziyimgomo. And i-statement of intent seclear ukuthi kunama-parties la ahlukahlukene. Kune-ANC, kune-DA, kune-IFP, kune-PAC, namanye ama-parties akho. And therefore angeke uthi yinto yama-organizations amabili. And siyazi ukuthi i-DA izokuzama ukusebenzisa lokho. Izama ukusebenzisa ukuba kule platform ngoba thina ne-DA, thina be-ANC ne-DA simele into ezihlukene ngempela. thina simele uguqulizwe from lokho elaliyikho ngesikhathi sobandlululo libe ngcono. Impilo yomuntu omnyama wayicindezela isikakhulukazi ama-Africans abesifazane nabasemakhaya ithuthuke. I-DA imele ukuthi i-status quo masime njengosinje. Umnotho uhlale kwabambalwa abesilisa abamhlophe. Yilolu guquko ke into engahlangahlangani kalula. So i-DA ukuze igcine irelevant izokhuluma kakhulu. But thina ku-ANC esikushoyo ukuthi while sikhuluma ake senze kakhulu. Ake senze kakhulu. Sikhulume kodwa nezenzo zibackup umsebenzi wethu.
Mhlawumbe kuzini uzothi omunye umuntu why kube easy for i-DA ithi yona ingasebenzisana nohulumeni ka Ramaphosa if kwenzeka. I think lokho bebekusho before ama-elections bethi bangasebenzisana ne-ANC as long as izobe ilidwa uRamaphosa, of which leyo nto ababeyimanifesta nayi siyenzeka-ke manje uthini kubantu abacabanga
ayikho i-ANC kaRamaphosa. It will be just short-sightedness if umuntu ezothi kune-ANC kabani. I-ANC inhlangano yabantu base-South Africa. Umholi yebo njengamanje uPresident uRamaphosa. Ngeke ngikholwa ukuthi i-DA iyothi ngelinye ilanga hayi siyaphuma-ke manje ngoba akuseyena uRamaphosa uma kwenzeka ngeminyaka eyoza. That will be recklessness. And that statement sought to patronize and divide the ANC. Siyabazi abantu abamhlophe eSouth Africa ukuthi iningi labo liphile kahle ngenxa yani yalesiya strategy ka divide and rule. Bahlakaze ze ubabuse. And then spread messages that are wrong so that ukwazi ukubabusa abantu.
So you mean mhlawumbe ama-organizations like Mkhonto wesizwe party ba-apply same tactic ukuthi bathi kune-ANC kaRamaphosa. I'm sure ukuzwe le language.
For them bebalekile lokho ngoba uMikhopi umuzolandela uMikhopi iphuma kwi-ANC yaphuma on the basis of defending the constitution and the freedom charter. Baclaima i-freedom charter bathi i-ANC dayisa i-freedom charter. Bayibiza nge-Congress of the People. Why? Kubantu abamnyama base-South Africa iningi labo lisakholela ukuthi i-ANC iyona yaletha inkululeko eyawuhola lo mzabalazo wabo bonke abantu bokulethani inkululeko. So uma bephuma labo abaphumayo bafuna ukuthi baphume nento eyi-heritage ye-ANC mese beshiya i-ANC ngathi akuseyona i-ANC. Uma former comrade former comrade Lekota Terra Lekota umuntu ephuma wafuna ukuphuma ne-heritage ye-ANC yani ye-freedom charter. Sasho no
ngoba ne-Congress of the People I think
ye-ANC. Sasho no le i-heritage yombutho wesizwe i-heritage ye-ANC noZuma ephuma khombisa i-ANC ngazathi akuseyona njengoba obani oRamaphosa babenze very simple weaken the image of the ANC, appropriate i-heritage ye-ANC. Uphume ngathi useyiyi i-ANC ubungaseyona i-ANC. Uyaphuma kodwa awuseyona i-ANC ukhande ngathi i-ANC idayisi. That has been the strategy sabantu abaphuma kwi-ANC. Kodwa uma ubheka bonke kusukela ekutheni bangakhethwa inkomfeni ezisuke ezandulele lokho kuphuma kwabo umese beyaphuma.
So
and therefore lokho kusilidele ekutheni njengamanje khona ubuholi obazi ukuthi ipower eyanguna phakade. Umuke wakhethwa kudinga ube nje i-leader ngathi uyinkosi. No, amakhosi ayazalwa kakhethwa. Umkhethiwe yazi ukuthi kufika isikhathi sokuthi hayi ake bukhethwa abantu.
Awona mncane lo 5 years.
Well ngaba mncane kodwa ubekwe umthetho sisekelo njengamanje. Asuhlonipheke uma ungakhethekanga mukela ukuthi awukhethekanga usupport abakhethiwe.
Ukuthi ngibona ngathi kunestability lapha kuPaul Kagame ngathi uzwele ukuthi uphinde
wabuya. Wayebuyela nje.
Ngibona ngathi izinto ngathi zihamba ngikaziye ngoba ngikho kwi-country yakhe but bobhekisisa kuba nale ngibona u5 years ukuthi udelive khuzini wenze konke lokho kupromisile ubuke kumncane khosini
yeah mncane wona u5 years ukuletha i-delivery meaningful mncane kakhulu kodwa asuhloniphi uma sifuna ukureview so review njengani njengekhanda ungareviewa umuntu oyedwa ozosidictatela ukuthi akasaphuma emandleni
khosini ngisho lokhu ngoba ngiyasaba kulabantu abaphethe khosini babheka izisu zabo ngoba after 5 years akungenzeli sense ukuthi nginama bodyguards ngiqashiwe la engihamba khona after 5 years ngikhomba phezulu itaxi edrobheni I don't know angenzeli sense lokho kwesinye isikhathi MEC or minister lo 5 lento ibisiphoqelela ukuthi abantu abasebenzele kwesinye isikhathi zisu zabo because you'll undoubtedly agree with me capitalism esebenza la country privatization ngibheka mina half of the time lezi izinto ziba ama slogans ngiya kubantu ngishayela lama slogans le rhetoric ebakhona but knowing very well ukuthi bese ngihleli nalabo bahlobo bami sibheka ukuthi siyenza kanjani imali ukusecure future yeingane zethu
inkinga ke lapho ngoba uma singena emzabalazweni singena silwelizwe bese singaphakathi sibhekele ifuture yeingane zethu nathi but ngifuna uku-addressa this thing of a system oke wayibeka that le system ikhanda umuntu aphile kahle 5 years then emva kwalokho mengakhethekanga kubalekile ukuthi abaholi bayithuthukise kubaleke kakhulu
kanjani kuze
bayithuthukise ngokuthi bafunde especially ukukhulisa ulwazi umoya emazweni especially yo Singapore yo China abantu bathola namuhla be lectureisha kuma universities would have been lawmakers ngesikhathi belapha bangene befundile baqhubeka abafunda base befunda ne practice ukuthi umthetho wakha kanje bawenza then they go mabe exit abanye they are lawmakers baphume bayoba yini ama lecturers abanye baphume beyorana NPOs or big independent organizations and they sustain this democracy ingxaki yethu ukuthi we are in a highly capitalized society la kwaziwa khona ukuthi yonke into idetermine ivalue yemali and therefore that system must be crushed
bese ba practical kuze ngibona isimo sala eKZN bobhekisisa kahle mhlawumbe ngaba direct engikhulume ngeqembu ngiakushiya ukuthi iqembu enzi ihlangana then amaqembu laba yeah but bobheka khuzini awubheke nje beni nama MPLs mhlawumbe ko 44 if memory yami ingiseva kahle but manje kuno 14 lo susela usunimele eParliament na 14 seats but yabona ukuthi labantu laba bebengasevanga eyibalini basenkingeni today
yes ikhona inkinga lokho isystem yethu iyasibeka enkingeni but njenge organization kudinga sibheke ngaphakathi ukuthi labo bantu singabasebenzisa kanjani kwezinye izinto ezobakhanda nabo bengafili belahliwe besetshenziswe ngokwe organization ukuya phambili and that's where you begin to look on what I was saying yesikhathi abanye bengaphakathi bayakwazi ukuyithuthukisa uma kufika isikhathi sokuthi baya ababuyeli for whatever reason ANC must begin to say hey sibanibani masilekelela lapha or mhlambe nani ke seninga-applyela kulawo ama-board kahulumeni kulokho yokulapha ninolwazi angithi nifundile nafunda ukwenza umthetho so hambani ke niyosebenza lapha nalapha nilethe i-governance uma state entities uma independent bodies nahlukahlukene
kuze ngicabanga ukuthi udaba likaZuma is the ANC nalendisha ngendlela
well angazi noma kusasiza ukuphendula udaba lika comrade kulabo uncamalanga njenge ANC from where I stand we tried
you did
we tried inkinga yalawo ma issues abuya be personal because khona ukwenze njengomuntu owumholi bese kuba khona ukwenza njengomuntu omaziyo ukuthi ubaba lo you know we have gone all those ways. Some of us have been with Comrade Nxamalala from way back esengusihlalo eKZN waba ngu-deputy president where izinto ezaqala ukuba nzima khona ezazinzima khona. Very few people will remember that 14th of June 2005 la Tishwa khona ekubeni ngu-deputy president. Very few people were there and were with him ngesikhathi salobunzi babe mbalwa, we were there, but we have never claimed anything for that. So we try to engage both Nxamalala ukuthi hey baba athi kubalekile kodwa ukuthi izinto siyihandlishe ngaphakathi embuthweni njengendlela nawo usifundise ngayo. And we try to say, leadership, let's try to get close to this situation. Got close. Then at the end, there was this announcement on 16 December last year, which took all of us by surprise. And then the ANC was a campaign any organization who also remain. That then became the final straw for your young king.
So we define it outside.
Yes, you are defining yourself.
Why
outside.
did it take you so long with in it? Because on the 16th of December, Umsholozi why definer outside the I think waphule eminye imgomo or imithetho ebalekile ANC, but you continued that up until explaining in Umsholozi some weeks ago, I think a month or weeks ago. Why did it is
any disciplinary process in his card? Charge member kune time frame udinga bese charge ngalesi sikhathi iDC ihambe kanje.
But kuthiwa khona into engaxoxisi cause
engaxoxisi
ongathi nawe bowuzenza thiwa kodwa ngoba wazi kahle nje ukhuzi
wakhuluma ngokuthi sathi saba ku-UClick ne.
Yeah,
so ku-UClick we were very firm ngaleya minyaka. So I was secretary general. So kwesinye isikhathi khona la isake saxosha khona ama-members ngaphandle kwe-process. Lento yenzile ayixoxisi hayi hamba Maqabane samkhulula so wakhulula Maqabane ahamba ase-aphile yase-reviswa yonke le process ne. So uma ise-reviswa le process into yokuqala esiyi-week yini na i-testimony yethu esibaxoshile ngoba sesibe nani preconceived ideas. So kubalekile ukufollowisha i-process ngendlela up until ifike kwi-logical conclusion.
No, ngiyakuzwa because iphela sihlezi kalala ke i-deputy minister yaphaka public works sesongena kuleso siqoko ekhuzini bese sibuya before sivale. By the way, ungasilandela lo kuma pages wethu podcast affirmation usilandele laphana sibika ngeindaba khuzini as and when they happen. Siyabika into ethinta politics, izinto ethinta human interest stories, into ethinta sports, into ma issues ethinta abantu besifazane. Siyabika laphana uye nje kwi podcast affirmation page uzoyithola lento ukuthi khuzini into engizama ukuyicacisa ukuthi siyiphepha kodwa lelaka online samsaya ne font industrial yabona ngase kwenzeke something la because lento in the next 5 minutes uzoyibona sesihengile kuba walls ethu ngicabanga ukuthi into kanjalo khuzini lapho silandela u2.7 million numbers don't lie khuzini bofuna ne-ANC nje ukuthi icacise ezinye zezinto kumele icacise ungasithenga ispace khuzini sisebenza ngespace khuzini khona into ehlupha kakhulu la ethinta lento abathi ama construction mafia. Uqalile wahlakula indima uzaba ukuhlangana nabo uhambela hayi iKZN kuphela but eSouth Africa ngiyakhumbula uke wana seNorth West kwashuba kakhulu ihamba isikuphi because awuphazamisekile manje as say deputy minister.
No, asiphazamisekile. Siyawuqhuba lo msebenzi. Lo msebenzi udinga ukuthi sibambisane nenhlaka zonke. Especially thina njengohulumeni sibambisane nenhlangano zosomabhizinisi. Sihlukanisa abantu abafuna ukwenza ibhizinisi kubantu abafuna ukunikwa imali bengenze lutho ngoba lokho ubugebengu. Sikuhlukanise lokho. So sinohla i-structure unit social facilitation engaphakathi kwi-department. Le unit ine responsibility ukuthi uma kunama project ayidemarcate leyo ndawo iye lapho maqeda ifika itrain abantu bendawo ibafundise ukuza le project ilungiselele even ama SMMEs ukuthi akwazi ukuthola imhlomulo asebenze kuloko. So leyo unit ikhona. Okwesibili kudinga ukuthi sikwazi uqinisa ukuthi abantu bayi-own izinto zingalethwa bengayi-ownile. So le unit ke it's working on that. But ngaphandle kwale unit kune unit yamaphoyisa that is working on the issue of construction mafia or the so-called construction mafia. Ngoba nale understanding ikabili. Kune construction mafia okurefeywa kulaba abathatha ama project bathatha imali.
Bo 30%.
Yes, kune construction mafia yalaba abakholudayo at an high level nayo akudingi ukuyeka. Idinga ukuthi kudilwe nayo. So ekugcineni into ephazamisekayo intuthuko. Hence i-social facilitation ibalulekile. But namaphoyisa kumele act decisively kulezi zinto ezifana nalezo.
Ngizothiwa futhi cousin sewumnyango wakho lo odila namabhilidi. Uthi la amabhilidi namabhilidi abaningi nje cousin dala eThekwini othola ukuthi amanye ngempela awasekho esimweni nenzani ngamabhilidi akanjalo. And mhlambe ngisabuza lo mbuzo cousin into ethinta i-construction mafia angazi abaholi noma babuye bangabe bikho emphakathini. Noma away ngabantu ekuthiwa bavele umuntu ne-tuck shop but sefala rentela omunye umuntu nje bathi ni security or something like that uyakhokha nje on mhlawumbe on monthly basis ukuthi une business la eMlazi and then finally ube nabantu abathi bakugadela ibusiness ubugebengu ngendlela engicabanga
ngayo. Lobo into engamukelekile neze. Lezo zinto zisibuyisele emuva. And leyo nto ngeke uyihlukanise negangsterism. Abantu nje abazohambe becollect imali ebantwini bengenze lutho. And therefore lokho kumele kudilwe nabo njengobugebengu. Leya amabhilidi angenzi lutho size nohlelo esilibiza ngokuthi asset optimization strategy. Lamabhilidi kahulumeni angenzi lutho all over. Aswanze kabusha ngokuthi lawe sikubonayo ukuthi sinesabelo mali sokwathuthukisa sikwathuthukisa. Lawe sibonayo ukuthi siyawadinga kodwa asinasabelo mali. Asithi sidinga ukwenza ukuthi nokuthi kuleli bhilidi. Bese sicela i-private sector invest siyikhokhele kwisikhathi eside esizayo. Mabevuselela ibhilidi lethu sikwazi ukufaka i-department iqashe lapho sibakhokhele for the next 10 to 15 years ukuze barecover imali yabo. Sinamabhilidi esithi dinga simane siwanika i-private sector i-private sector irent ethile. Kube yibo abadlela ibhilidi siyalithatha sizokwenza student accommodation. Siyalithatha sizokwenza izitolo or sizokwenza imqasho abantu bazohlala la. Bese berenta ithini or balithenge. So that is what we talk about uma sikhuluma ngalento ye-asset optimization strategy esesiyifakile. Kunanemhlaba othola ukuthi either amaphoshi ungathi itende mhlambe abantu bangakha khona whether bakha izindlu or bakha ama guest houses nokunye. Mase kuba nemhlaba engamafarm engaphansi ka public works. Konke lokho siyakhipha ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukusebenza bahlomule bakwazi ukuziphilisa.
Kuze niyazi umuntu uzothanda futhi ukwazi ngezinye zezinto ezenziwayo ka-public works ngaphandle kwamabhilidi, ngaphandle kwezinto ey'kanjalo khuzeni zokwakhiwa kwama-blocks, but basemlazi mhlambe bayi-co-opt, so to speak, understand?
Yeah.
But bayafuna nabo ukusebenzisana ne-department yaka-public works. Ikuphi la enilekelela khona or enginezinto ukuthi ayi abantu abasha bangaya laphana bazokutholwa ukusizakala kuyona i-public, ngoba i-public works ngathi isilwane sabantu abathize khuzini.
No, azivumi ukuthi umnyango onganakekile olapha ya uthathwa ngengumnyango ndolekelela kwezokwakha, kanti cha. Enye inhlelo esinazo esithinta kakhulu indawo zasemalokishini nasemakhaya ilo hlelo lo-EPWP oluthathwe kancane especially eminyakeni edlule, lwaqale kahle. So uma abantu bethu bayi-co-op siyafika sithi nenzani uthola ukuthi bakwi-waste management, mase sithi okay asinilekeleleke iraneni njengale co-op yenu lento. So faka iprogram ye-business enterprise, nizoqashwa nani kwi-EPWP niyisebenze nini. In a period of a year nizophuma seniyi-fully fledged co-op trained enama-equipment okuyisebenza, niparticipate mhlambe kwi-waste recycling. Sinohlelo lokuthi one township one recycling center. Umuya osizweni kune-recycling center yabafowethu between lapha Newcastle and Osizwe, ibizwa nge-Mpilonhle. It's well established, started by young people. It's now profitable, it's running all over there. So ilezo zinto esifuna ukuyibona. Abanye bazothina si-NPO, we are just cleaning the rivers. And then labo bantu thina sibathathe sibafake ku-EPWP, they do that, but sibatrain environmental programs going forward. Abanye ufike edolobheni uthola ukuthi ilokishi imigwaqo ayikho, sibagroupe sakhe i-EPWP sithi let us pave imigwaqo ngama-bricks. Labantu sebekwazi ukwakha ama-bricks, sebekwazi ukwenza i-paving, and then bosala neskill even ekutheni le migwaqo sesiyiqedile.
Yazwakala khuzini ukuthi nje phela umnyango ngempela mhlawumbe njengabubeka ukuthi umnyango onganakiwe ngathi bengiyaye kulalela ibudget no state of the nation addressed by a president. Iningi imali efakwa laphana, but kubone ngathi umuntu uyayibuza ukuthi mina ngimbandakanya kanjani-ke ney'nhlelo ezikulowa mnyango. Engicabanga ukuthi i-question esuke ibalulekile leyo ngoba sonke fanele siyigxenye khuzini, akufanele kube nento engathi abantu abathize, understand. So hayi khuzini ngicabanga ukuthi okuningi sikuthintile, but kunento eyodwa ngifuna ukuyazi khuzini, mhlawumbe uzongilekelela. Khona lento ekuthiwa uthola ukuthi yini ama-members of i-executive uthola ukuthi but njengani as u-deputy uthola ukuthi uzongichazela wena ukuthi kubangelwa yini, why uthola ukuthi akekho ungqongqoshe womnyango lo, akekho mhlawumbe is on leave for whatever reason, but akuthathwa i-deputy yakhe, and ngathi khona la ama-meetings engawa-attend as ama-deputy ama-DM ama-minister. Bangelwa yini lokho
Deputy Minister,
just to educate?
The president and the president appoint the cabinet and deputy minister. And then allocate functions through delegations. And then deputy minister focus kulokhu nalokhu, minister focus kulokhu nalokhu. Then they work. Deputy ministers and ministers attend the cluster cabinet committees. All cluster cabinet committees. Then the cabinet is made up of the president, the deputy, and ministers all. Uma minister engekho, authoritatively, minister omunye udinga a-act, not deputy minister.
Ile nto ebengifuna uku-understand kangcono khuzini, yabona ukuthi ibalulekile lento ukuthi from time to time kushare ulwazi, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi thanda ukulenga kancane kushereni ulwazi ekhuzini ngathi ulwazi labantu abathize understand mhlawumbe into engicabanga ukuthi nina as abantu abalead government afanele attend this thing ngoba ne propaganda icapitalize kakhulu kwi ignorance if abantu bengazi
propaganda iyona ke that whole sway
exactly so manje kufanele ibhekisise ekhuzini iplace nama adverts into njengo podcast affirmation educate abantu kuzeni ngicabanga ukuthi as abaphathing shots nje before sivale ungashaba concluding remarks.
No ngibonga kakhulu kwi podcast affirmation i-session enhle ukushiyelana ngolwazi nokwazi ukudlulisela ulwazi kubabukeli emakhaya kusiza kakhulu
kuzeni umlandelwani we-Chiefs noma ne-Pirates
hayi ngisasupporta yona i-Chiefs
yize
kunje ngisathembekile angiyena umuntu ohamba nomoya ngiseyikhosi ngiyibambile ngihleli khona
unzima
khona kodwa siyabambile kulolu
ngithanda ispirit sakho kuze milabantu abazothi hayi ngoba nakho kufike iqembu elisha uhambisana lana kuze ngifuna ukuchecka la umuntu odla ezitolo umuntu oprefera imili yasekhaya nje ehlelekile yasekhaya
ngumuntu olandela kakhulu a healthy lifestyle uyiphatha kahle ukuyivocavoca and that's why lokho kungikhanda ikhathe eziningi idle ekhaya ekhaya uyabona uba the responsibility yokuthi ulungisa kuphi ukudla ozokudla
indaba yamanzi mhlawumbe nama drinks
lawa ahluphayo hayi ungangibali kakhulu angiyena umuntu osondela kumbe obamningi kakhulu ngalapho
ngisho lama drinks yabona lawa njenga kuthiwa indama acid acid
acid yonke into
ushamanzi
hayi kudinga sigxile kakhulu kumanzi pure water for our health and sikwazi ukuyivocavoca ukuze sigcine siphilile
umntwana waphinda ngene ubaba uMandela oNkwame Nkrumah imuphi umholi ubona ukuthi hayi lo
Oliver Tambo who stands out for me as a leader ngoba ukuleader dinga kube uyileader
lenzo Oliver Tambo cousin because half of the time we are with social media amaqabane kaTambo because nina nifuna ukushare ulwazi yabona into engafuni wena ukushare ulwazi bangabe sekhona umuntu owavela wathi ndabe lithi amaqabane kaTambo it's simply because uTambo was
one uyena umuntu ohola ANC for isikhathi eside from 1969 up until 1990 uyena umuntu kodwa ohola ANC ngesikhathi esinzima kakhulu akazange uTambo abasembusweni wabasemzabalazweni kuphela wahola iANC ngaphakathi wathunywa ngaphandle ukuthi hamba uyokwakha iANC ngaphandle wathi sengaphandle nenyanga ezintathu noma ezine iANC yavala umlomo ngaphakathi eCountry bonke labantu ibutho lokuqala lomkhonto wesizwe elalwa kule campaign eyayibizwa ngewanki isipholile campaign was trained under the stewardship sika Oliver Tambo okuwayeka leso sikhathi udeputy owayengaleso sikhathi ngudeputy president weANC waseba ngupresident. So uTambo ulithwale kakhulu lolusizi lomzabalazo wabantu base South Africa ulithwale kuyo yonke front
before we fashionable.
Yes, uma sikhuluma ngama pillars omzabalazo mass mobilization asimobilize abantu ekhaya baba abakhululi babo. All of those strategies came under his leadership. Uma sithi akube ne-armed struggle as a second pillar, it was under Tambo's presidency. Uma kuthiwa akube khona i-international solidarity ku-isolate i-South Africa, it was under Tambo's presidency. If sithi akube khona ama-underground structures azokwazi ukucoordinate wonke lama pillars akho, was under Tambo's leadership. Ngeshwa akahlalanga ukuba sembusweni kodwa nguye owasicabela lendlela ukuthi sifinyelele enkululekweni.
Yena kafika ngezweni lesithembiso.
Kodwa indlela wayihamba wazi wakubuyisa umuntu uthi uma se handover esebuyile iANC sivulwe umlomo
93
ngo-1991 uthi siwugcinile lo mbutho ey'khathini ezinzima noma besisey'khathini ezinzima asizange sadawutha i-unity yethu besazi ukuthi ubunye bethu isona sikhathi sokuqala esinaso ukukhulula izwe lethu. And that was Oliver Tambo, who even today live in our conscience ukuthi sikwazi ukuya phambili on daily basis.
baye bathi mzabalazweni awuthinta umkhonto, it looks like that ngithi de umkhonto ngiyafisa ukuthi sihle mhlambe uphinde ubuye ngesikhathi esizayo futhi siphinde sizoyikhuluma kahle lento mhlambe ethinta ke hayi mhlambe i-ANC but ezinye izinto nje ukuthi indaba zo white supremacy ukuthi we struggling ukuthi ku destroy ke these things on white supremacy but manje sesikhuluma nge-integration as if sasikhuluma ukuthi thina sifuna ukuyohlala lokuhambisa iy'ngane zethu esilungwini mhlawumbe lezi zinto ichazwe sihle nendaba yi-liberation movement isho ukuthini isuka laphana la enaqala khona ngo-19 bani lize lifike la esikhululeke khona nale new dispensation futhi isho ukuthini manje ngaphela at the ultimate end sithi sesikhululekile sihla sithi taki indaba zokukhululeka ngokomnotho kune-economic suppression enkulu ekusafanele nayo destroy, you understand? So ngiyafisa ukuthi mhlawumbe bowuthole ithuba ngiyazi baxhaphesha kwilokhuzana kwintweni za-government ey'ntweni zombutho i-ANC but leso sikhathi nje sike soyidiscussa lezi zinto ngoba i-youth eningi nabantu abaningi sebengene la kwi-social media manje mhlawumbe kuningi abangagcina bekuzuza yabona ngingangeneli kwi-ANC ngoba ngifuna ukuthi nami ngibe right mina.
No, definitely soba khona sobuya siyabonga.
So Thokoza kakhulu Khuzeni, don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you did, please take pictures.